We're continuing to build a daily and growing relationship with God through spending time with God. And so now we turn to the Gospels. We've kept our appointment. We've become present. We've prayed a dedicatory prayer. We've prayed a psalm. And now we turn to the Gospel to encounter Jesus. I would recommend Mark. I mean, feel free, any of them. John is delightful too, it's different. But I would recommend Mark. It gets us into Jesus's ministry and his words quickly. This is a time to learn from and listen to Jesus. Jesus, the eternal Word from the Father, who was with God before time, forever and ever, who became flesh and dwelt among us, who spent time in our world, sharing among us and our struggles and all that we encounter. When Jesus began his ministry, it says in Mark, actually in Mark 3, verse 14, that Jesus picked 12 people, and it says that they might be with him. I love that. Now, granted, I'm not one of the 12, and you're not one of those 12, but that reveals something of Jesus' heart. And as you read a paragraph or two, I would keep that in mind. I would imagine that I'm being with Jesus, attentive to what he is doing and saying. And he is wanting me to be a part of that story. Jesus, God from God, light from light, true God from true God, begotten, not made, who became one of us and hung out in our neighborhood. Jesus is pleased to spend time with you as you listen to him and learn from him in the Gospels, day by day. Know that, believe that he loves you and is pleased to be with you.